So this first rule is about how you can use a universally quantified proposition, if you have one. So suppose that you know that it's true that for all x phi, so you know that phi holds for everything, for every x, then what should the rule be? What should you be able to deduce from that? And here's the rule. It says, for all x phi, you can deduce phi. Well, that's correct if I just stopped there, but it's more powerful. You can deduce phi with x replaced by anything you want. So any term you want can go here. Any term you want. And that will work. So that is the logical rule for using for all x phi. So for example, say you know, suppose you know for all x, x is green. Meaning you know that everything is green. Then how can you make use of that fact in an argument? Well, if you had any particular thing, like here I have this pen that I'm using for the drawing tablet here. If you have any particular thing, then you can deduce from your knowledge that everything is green that that particular thing is green. So from this, you would be able to deduce that the pen, if that were a well-formed mathematical term, which it's not, but let's just pretend the pen is green. But anyway, from x is green, you can deduce, 3 is green. For all x, x is green, you can deduce 3 is green. You can deduce y is green. You can deduce that the sine function evaluated at pi plus 1 is green. All of these things are green if you know that everything is green. So hopefully that makes sense. It's a pretty simple idea. In practice, when you're writing proofs, here's how it might go. So you would write your argument something like this. So suppose you and the reader of your proof already agree that everything is green. Then you could say, and maybe in the proof, for some reason you're trying to convince your reader that 5 is green. So then you can say, since everything is green, this is how you write everything is green, we have, in particular, that 5 is green. So what you're seeing here is what I would call universal instantiation. And this is, not all the names of the rules necessarily make perfect sense, but this one does. Basically, you have this universal statement, everything is green, and then you're applying it to one instance. You're observing one instance of the statement. So one instance of the greenness of everything is the greenness of 5. And this is a common phrase you'll see, in particular, when you see a universal instantiation.